Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Archer Olive mystery box. Each mystery box contains at least 2 Archer Olive notebooks and a third surprise item. At least one of the notebooks is always promised to be a dot grid. I've used their products before and I love the quality of the journals, so I'm excited to see what I've got in today's box. I love how cute the packaging is. I'm personally a big fan of ampersand and gold. Let's open this first box here. I see bats, so this must be for their recent Halloween release. It's a dot grid journal, has shiny edges to the sides of the book, and I think the term is holographic. This has a black leather cover. It's so pretty and luxurious to the touch. This one has a fabric cover. I love the navy color and that gold embossed detailing here. This one is a dot grid journal and the pages and sides of the book are such a crisp white color. Final box, let's open this one. This has a soft leather cover and a rainbow on it. And I did a 100-day rainbow challenge earlier this year, so this one is definitely my favorite of the lot. The rainbow is holographic as well. You see how it catches the light, and the edges of the journal have that same finish. This one is a dot grid journal too, and I got lucky, I guess. I got all 3 dot grid journals, and of all of these, the rainbow is my favorite. All of these are A5 size as well, which is my favorite size to use. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, friends. Let me know in the comments below which of these 3 journals were your favorite. I'll be breaking these journals open soon and I'm ready for 2021 to start. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of it. I hope you have a great day and week, and I'll see you soon again with another video. Till then, happy crafting, friends!